Hi guys! Good day. I'm here with one of the winners ng Festival Costume Kings of Mr. sa Pilipinas 2020 all the way from Talisay, Cebu. Hi
Yes.
Hans!
So hi po, kumusta?
We're doing great. How about you? How do you feel right now?
Ngayon po, sobrang saya ko po kasi lahat po ng sacrifices, lahat po ng efforts po ng kasama ko po is eto, dito na po kami and hindi ko po in-expect na maging isa po ako sa top 11 ng Festival Kings. So sobrang saya, sobrang thankful, sobrang grateful and I'm just very thankful po. Lord, thank you. Thank you po.
Were you expecting ba na there is a dance portion during the festival costume presentation?
Nung una po, hindi ko po in-expect na may yung dance portion. Akala ko po, runway lang po, lalakad-lakad na po kami. But I am glad na meron pong yung dance, yung ano yun, basta dance portion. Kasi in this way, may papakita po namin kung ano po talaga yung festival po sa amin. Yes po.
Ayan, ang sarap-sarap ng lechon kumain.
Oo nga eh.
And
Thank you.
kaganina, totoo ba yung binigay yun na lechon?
Opo, totoo po yun.
Wow.
And also, I am inviting everyone na kapag pumunta po kayo ng Cebu, don't forget to try yung lechon po ng City of Talisay. Napakasarap po. Pwede nyo naman po akong i-message para i-guide ko po kayo.
Ayan, Hans, congratulations and
Thank
best
you.
of luck.
Thank you so much po.
Thank you.
Thank you. God bless. Ingat po kayo.